Guess who's back with the pixels? Hey guys, it's Liessshy here and welcome to another Google Pixel video. It has been a hot minute since we have checked out a Pixel. The last one we looked at on the channel was the Google Pixel 5. And now in my hand we have the brand new Google Pixel 6a. I have fallen in love with the Google Pixel 6. I do not own one, but I do see it at my real life job every single day, and the quality of that phone is absolutely insane. So I was very excited to see that I have been reintroduced to the Pixel squad and Google sent over the new 6a to take a look at. We are going to be doing an unboxing on the channel in today's video, and then I'm going to do a day in the life, or at least an experience with the Google Pixel 6a. And I would like you guys to let me know in the comments what you want to see in that review video. So enough of me yapping on about how excited I am to have this in my hand again. Let's get unboxing. So we're going to break the seals on the phone. I hope this is sitting nicely above me on camera, because this is such a satisfying moment. Oh my God. I can't tell you how excited I am to have this phone in my hand again. It's so exciting. But now we're going to open it and see what it looks like. So let's get cracking. Oh. So we do have it in the charcoal color. Oh my God, guys. This is, oh, I can't believe this is in my hand right now. Oh my God, okay, wait, let's take this off. Oh, that is such a satisfying moment. This is the Google Pixel 6a. It feels incredible in my hand. It is such a stunning design. I love that it does replicate the 6 as best as it can, especially with that bar across the camera. But this is such a stunning phone. It is much nicer than the previous A series, especially the 4 series. Like, this looks incredible. Oh my God, okay, we'll have to continue with the unboxing. We'll take a look at it shortly. So we all know that we no longer get power adapters in boxes with phones. So in this, you will get the USB-C to C charger. You still get your USB-C to A adapter, which is great, your data adapter. And in here, we have our SIM card tool and our pamphlets. So it's pretty simple with what you get in the box these days. Almost everybody has a USB-C fast charging adapter now. So if you don't have one, you'll have to pick one up if you buy this phone. But oh my God, this looks absolutely beautiful. And my first impression, you can obviously tell, is just, wow, this looks insane. My favorite thing about the Pixel 6 series is definitely the camera and what you can do with it. I am a big fan of the magic eraser tool, and I'm so excited to get my hands on it finally. I've seen it in action a lot, but I've never tested it for myself, so it's going to be great to try it out on this device. So some other features of this phone is that it still packs the Google Tensor chip. So this was in the Pixel 5, and it is Google's own processing chip, which helps with fast performance and battery power. The Tensor chip also helps with opening your apps faster and also loading your photos quicker. Google has still stuck with the adaptive battery, and that is a 24-hour adaptive battery that will literally adapt to how you use your phone. So if you're someone like me who does use their phone 24/7, although I'm not as bad as what I used to be, but I do have to use it at work as well, and then in all my social media stuff. So my battery does drain faster. I'll be very intrigued to see how long I can get out of a usage, out of one charge, given with my use. It's pretty high, which makes me think that the battery is going to drain faster. But if you use your phone in a more minimal way, you're most likely going to get that 24-hour battery life. The adaptive side of it means the phone is actually learning how you use your device. So if you do use it less or you do use it more, it's going to shut off things in the background to help save that battery. Furthermore to that, there is also an extreme battery saver mode. So if you want to push out the battery life to as far as possible, you might actually get up to 72 hours with this. How to activate this is you can turn on what apps you want to run and turn off everything else, and that can push out the battery life to a potential 72 hours. So that is major. I know for me, that will not work because I have a lot of things running at once, but to some of you that might be a really cool option to have. The 6A still packs the Titan M2 chip, and this is for your security. So yes, it's going to protect you as much as possible, but I do still recommend getting an antivirus software for your mobile phone. Our digital identities are so important these days, and even though it's Google, they're very good at what they do with their security. It's still better to have that extra protection for yourself, because we run on the internet these days. Everything we have is through the internet, and the last thing we want is our digital identity to be hacked. There is a water resistance rating of IP67, so it is water and dust resistant. I'm still terrified to test that out, so keep it away from water. But if you do have an accidental spill, it's not going to damage your phone, which is great. And having a good case on this means you will be able to use it outside as well without damaging it and having the risk of water and dust breaking the phone. However, anything is possible, so be careful. There is a fingerprint unlock on the screen. Now, the older phones did have a fingerprint scanner on the back, so I'm very excited to test out the fingerprint scanner on the front and to see how it will work with the screen protector. So we'll break down the specs of this phone and I'll have them loaded on the screen for you, but it does have a 6.1 Full HD Plus OLED display. It has 6 GB of RAM, it is 5G enabled, it has 128 GB of internal storage, and the megapixels of the 3 cameras are as follows. So the rear camera has a 12.2 megapixel wide lens, a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, and the front camera has an 8 megapixel lens. It has a 4,410 milliamp hour battery and does not have wireless charging, which is a normal thing for the A series. I think it is stunning, and I think it's only fair that we turn it on now. What do you say? Okay, it's time. Please have some power in there. Oh, there we go. It is on. I felt the vibration in my hand as it booted up, and this has just taken me back to when I had the previous Pixels. I am so happy to have this in my hand right now. But yeah, we're in, and that's pretty much all I've got for you for the unboxing. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I will do a review video and I want to test out a few of the features on the phone. So let me know in the comments what you want to see, and thank you so much to Google for sending over the Pixel 6a for me. I'm so happy to own one of these again. I love the difference in design compared to the previous Pixel 4a, Pixel 4a 5G, even the Pixel 4, and also the 5. It definitely, in my opinion, is the sleekest looking of them all. So I'm really excited to play with this, and I will catch you guys in the review video. Bye. Oh my God, I have a Pixel again.